This week I'm testing the Mercedes GLB with my family, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the auto lock and unlock doors. You can do it from any door of the car, which is fantastic. And you can keep your hands free to carry your little kids and all their stuff, rather than fumbling around in your bag for the key. And it works the same for locking the doors when you walk away. Number 2 is you can fit 5 child seats in the back of the GLB, which is fantastic. There's 4 ISOFix in the back here and 5 top tether anchorages. Number 3 is something your kids will have a lot of fun with. My daughter's constantly this week said, "Hey Mum, what's this car called again?" And I'll say, "Mercedes."
How may I help you?
Please turn off the ambient lighting.
I'm turning off the ambient light.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
please turn on the ambient lighting.
I'm turning on the ambient light.
It's really cool and you can control most things throughout the car with it. I've really enjoyed driving the GLB with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.